Hello, my name is Dennis Maroney. I'm part of the Lynn Hunger Network, which is a coalition of various groups on the North Shore working to address hunger issues, particularly in Lynn. And I'm very happy to be part of this effort, which is a coalition part of the Greater Boston Food Bank, St. Mary's, My Brother's Table, St. John's Prep, St. Mary's High, and other organizations like Lynn City Mission to make this come together. Once a month, we come out here and we do a mobile food mart, and we have about 500 individuals representing about 1,500 people and their family that get fresh food and produce, and it's a great honor to be part of this effort.
Come down here one Saturday a month to volunteer at the Lynn Hunger Network food pantry. I had seen the need at the beginning of the winter time when quite a few shelters had shut down, and I wanted to be part of this great organization. A group of people come together to try to help make sure that people are getting good and nourishing food to them. So we come the first Saturday of every month down here to St. Mary's parking lot, and we've been doing this through the winter. It's been a little bit tough, but it's very rewarding to be part of this, being a volunteer and making sure people are getting food that they need.
From 7 o'clock this morning, we're here with dozens of other volunteers to serve our brothers and sisters in need. So behind us, we have all sorts of boxes and bags of different food items that we're giving to the community that is in need here. So,
I'm from St. John's Prep. I'm Keelan.
I'm from St. John's. I just came down here to help out because there's just a lot of people down here, and it just feels great to help out everyone.
It's so important. These people behind us, they're our community, they're our family. So we have to be here because there's so much need, and we're glad that we could come out this morning and help our brothers and sisters.